Hello, welcome back to Bestiwat YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing a tutorial on how to fix the broken strap of the Thule Euroclassic G5 909 bicycle rack. The materials that we'll be using today are the self-locking nylon, a paperclip, and the lighter. So let's take a look at the situation we have here. Is that on the second row the strap is completely broken. So we'll use a paperclip to mark where we want to punch the holes on the broken straps. So I've decided to punch 2 holes on each side of the broken strap. Now let's take a look at the self-locking nylon. We'll use this to figure out how big the hole should be. And then we will start heating up the paperclip and start punching holes. So now let's try to put the self-locking nylon strap to the hose. So from this point I realized that it's not working because the holes that I've punched using the paperclip are too small. So that's why we'll use a scissor to widen the holes. Now that first side is done, we'll do the same thing with the other side of the broken strap. So now that the holes are wide enough, we'll start putting the self-locking nylon through it. So when you're sure that the self-locking nylons are tight enough, you'll start cutting the remainings of the nylon. So here's the finished work. I've tried putting my bike onto it and the straps just works perfectly like a normal strap. Thanks for watching. If you find this video beneficial or you just simply like my videos, please give me a like, a subscribe, or any comments would be very much appreciated.